In this video, we're going to be using Type S mortar pre-blend to repair flashing due to improperly repaired stress fractures. Once you've applied a thick enough coating over the flashing, I then allow it to dry about halfway. Then using a wet sponge trowel in circular motions to blend in the mortar and knock down any rough edges. Then repeat this process on all areas necessary. Once you've allowed it to fully dry, you then can apply primer and paint. Once again, thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments.